नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं नमिश कुमार दिलदार और आज के इस वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं HDFC प्रेफर्ड डेबिट कार्ड, जो कि प्रेफर्ड प्लैटिनम वेरिएंट है, उसके वेलकम किट का अनबॉक्सिंग। साथ ही मैं आपको बताऊंगा इस कार्ड के सारे एक्सक्लूसिव फीचर्स, बेनिफिट्स और चार्जेस। अगर आप भी HDFC प्रेफर्ड बैंकिंग कस्टमर हो या फिर बनने का सोच रहे हो, तो यह वीडियो आपके लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल होगा। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
HDFC Preferred Platinum Debit Card Key Benefits 1. Cashback or Discounts 5% Swiggy discount, up to 150 rupees cashback points per calendar month. 25% off on Book My Show tickets, up to 250 rupees cashback points per calendar month. 5 cashback points on international spends above 200 rupees, capped at 350 rupees. 2. Higher transaction limits. डेली शॉपिंग, डोमेस्टिक जोड़ इंटरनेशनल 5 लाख रुपए, ATM विड्रॉयल 1 लाख रुपए। 3. एयरपोर्ट लाउंज एक्सेस 2 complimentary lounge visits per calendar quarter, provided you spent 5,000 rupees or more in the previous quarter. 4. Insurance covers. Death cover, air, road, rail, up to 15 lakh rupees, some sources say 12 lakh rupees. International air coverage, flat 3 crore rupees on air ticket purchase using the card. Fire or burglary for items purchased on the debit card within 6 months, 2 lakh rupee cover. Loss of checked baggage, 2 lakh rupee cover. Feature benefit highlights. Cashback or discounts 5% Swiggy, 25% Book My Show, 5 PTS international spends, monthly caps apply, higher limits 5 rupees L shopping, 1 rupaya L ATM limits airport lounges 2 complimentary visits per quarter, min. 5,000 rupees spent prior quarter, insurance coverage death, 12 rupees minus 15 L, Intel Air, 3 crore रुपए, fire, burglary, 2 रुपए L, baggage, 2 रुपए L contactless payments tap to pay. No PIN for less than 5,000 rupees fuel surcharge waiver on government petrol pumps debit card ME available for purchases greater than 5,000 rupees fee waiver for preferred issuance, annual fee waived, preferred banking privileges included. Additional context or user insights. Some third-party sources mention an annual fee of around 750 rupees minus 850 rupees jod taxes if you're not a preferred customer. Also, earlier there used to be a feature offering 1% cashback on credit card bill payments, but this benefit has been discontinued or inconsistent. 5. Contactless payments. Supported with fast, secure tap and pay, no PIN required for amounts below 5,000 rupees. PIN is required for 5,000 rupees or higher. Chair. Fuel surcharge waiver. No fuel surcharge on HDFC Bank swipe machines at government petrol pumps, HPCL BPCL, effective since January 2018. 7. Debit card ME option. Convert high-value spends, electronics, furniture, apparel, smartphones, etc. into no-cost ME on purchases above 5,000 rupees. 8. Premium program perks. Waived issuance fee for preferred customers, i.e., no annual charge. Comes with preferred banking benefits such as a dedicated room, improved service, and preferential pricing across banking services.
इन्फॉर्मेशन वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो डीजे निमिश कुमार दिलदार YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ में बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें, जिससे आपको नई नई नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहेगा।